Hi Stampers, it's Elizabeth from StampScrapandMore.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Canada. And what day is it? It is Thursday, May 14th, 2020, and it's lunchtime here in Toronto, just outside Toronto. And I've taken a break from work because this arrived today. It is, gotta remember what month this is, May's Paper Pumpkin Kit. And before I go back to work, I've got a telecon at 1. I want to do a really quick unveiling of what May's kit is. Haven't even cracked it open yet, folks. The labels are still on it. So let's get over and see what's inside the box this month. Okay, so it's I forget what the name of the kit was, something about color. It's called a kit in color, and it is has some of the new in colors in the kit. So the advertisement for it originally was all black and white. You have to excuse the hair, and I've just sent a message to my hairdresser asking her if she's starting a wait list for when they can open up again because I'm desperate. Okay, so first off, we have the advertisement for next month's kit, which is called Box of Sunshine, and you can start ordering it May 11th. No, sorry, you have to order. No, you can start ordering it now. So it goes from May the 11th to June 10th. And so it shares Sunshine with Sarah inspired, with the Sarah inspired Paper Pumpkin Kit for June. This kit includes supplies for 8 handmade cards and is specially designed to help you create a special box full of cheer and treats to share and brighten the day of someone special in your life. So the idea with next month's kit, it's going to be nice and pretty. It's going to be Share Sunshine. It's going to be all yellow, and the idea is to fill it with yellow and orange themed things, like wrapped. Even the tissue is going to be yellow, so you can wrap a chocolate bar, or you can put some of the the yellow hard candies and fill the box. And then it'll also come with a label that you can use to put on the outside of the box, and you can address it and give it to somebody. So the idea, and even include one of the cards that you've made to go inside that's from this kit. So I think it's a great idea to pass it forward. Is that the term? So, sorry, I get so excited. The Stampin' Spot is one of the new in colors, and it's my favorite in color. Actually, I think this might become my favorite color, Stampin' Up! Color in general. It is called Misty Moonlight. There you go. I love that blue. It's gorgeous. And then we've got You're Amazing, Hey, Oh Happy Day, and I'm guessing these are rainbows, and some symbols, like little plus symbols, little not star, but kind of like a star. And I think, I'm not sure, these are like accent points, or they could even be birthday candles. You could just use them on something and make them birthday candles. So but let's see what we've got. We've got some pink tissue paper, and opening up the kit. Okay, and this kit, next month's kit is going to be global, so it'll be available in all markets, where this Paper Pumpkin is usually just North America. Okay, so let me open up. It's very vibrant, very happy colors, very spring colors. I hope you're all doing well. And just a reminder that if you are a customer of mine, on Saturday, May 16th, I'm participating in a full day of the Global Stampin' Up! Share Fair. So if you're a customer of mine and you want part of the group, just send me an email to info@stampscrapandmore.com. It's just for customers, and just for our customers. There's 17 demonstrators from Australia, England, and North America who are participating in this, and it's just for our customers. And then on Sunday, I will be doing my Simple Stamping Sunday. So again, if you're one of my customers and want in on that Facebook page, just send me a message and I will gladly add you. Okay, so we have, oh, happy day. We've got these 4 cards. Oh, how happy with, look at the coordinating envelopes. And we've got hey. I have a coworker that starts every message with hey. He might be getting one of these cards. And then you're amazing. I think these are smaller scale cards, but we'll look at what's included. Okay. Ooh, vellum. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of, looks like Purple Posy card bases, and these are smaller size cards. And these are regular size cards. Oh, aren't these happy? Happy, happy, happy colors. So there's 4 there as well. I love this wave effect. And these are 4 more, and this I think might be just jade. I'm guessing at the Purple Posy. I'm not sure, but we're going to look at the, maybe I'll do that now, the color coordinating. Coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors are Bumblebee, Just Jade, Magenta Madness, Misty Moonlight, Pumpkin Pie, and it is Purple Posy, and Purple Posy. And the kit includes a color kit photopolymer stamp set, Misty Moonlight Stampin' Spot, the card bases, the printed envelopes, the die cuts, the printed die cuts, the vellum die cuts, the puffy stickers, oh, I haven't come across those yet, Baker's Twine, dimensionals, and adhesive dots. I love that everything that you need is in the kit. And if you're a brand new subscriber to Paper Pumpkin, your very first kit will also include, I happen to have one here, will also include a Paper Pumpkin Stampin' Block. That will come in your very first kit, so hold on to that, because in subsequent kits that will not be part of it. So just to hold on to that Stampin' Block. But then everything else is included: the stamp set, the adhesives, the glue dots, etc. So this is the coordinating envelope for the smaller cards. And then you've got these 4 envelopes. And we've got these 4. I can't wait to make these. Actually, I might do that tonight. And I've got those 4. I use Paper Pumpkin kits to send cards to my customers as thank yous. And now what do we have? Oh, these must be the epoxy. Oh, they are. These are the epoxy die cuts. Is that what the puffy stickers, sorry. And they've come in the Just Jade, the Misty Moonlight, Purple Posy, and Magenta Madness. Is it Magenta Madness? Yes, it is. Oh, I'm getting to learn my new colors. And then we have a vellum die cuts and vellum sheets. So there's 4 of these vellum die cuts. I have to figure out what cards they go on. We got 4 of these vellum sheets that will go on a card. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets of these die cuts, and I'm not sure if you're going to see them very well. Maybe I'll take them off so you can at least see. So you've got 4 sheets that include that. These are clouds, a medium cloud, a small cloud, and a large cloud. And like I said, you've got 4 sheets of those. And then you also have 4 sheets of these. So you've got 4 sheets. So you'll have 4 of this flag, 4 of this die cut, and 4 of this die cut. And you also have, as always, you have your glue dots to put the pieces together with. You've got your sheet of dimensionals, and you've got a roll of the Magenta Madness. Yep, Magenta Madness Baker's Twine. So that is this month's Paper Pumpkin kit. And if you follow me on, where will I post it? I'll post it on my Facebook page at Stamp, Scrap, and More. That's my Facebook page. I will post the finished cards there when I've put them all together. And like I said, this is just a quick video I'm doing over a lunch, and I need to get back into a Zoom call at 1 o'clock. I turned Zoom off, no video on, because this is not pretty these days. I'm just sort of like disheveled, but we're all in the same boat. There's nothing I can do with my hair these days. And I was going to take the scissors to them, but I thought, oh no, rumor has it that hair salons can start to open up soon with restrictions. So I've already sent a message to my stylist to say, okay, if you've got a waiting list, I want on it, because I can't handle it anymore. I don't know about anybody else, but it's become unruly, and it's supposed to start getting hotter, and it's just gonna anyhow. We're all in the same boat. What can we do, right? So that's Elizabeth from StampScrapandMore.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Canada. And again, if you're one of my customers and are watching this, and it's not May the 16th yet, and you want part of the Global Stampin' Up! Share Fair, send me a message to info@StampScrapandMore.com. There are, I think, 17 demonstrators from Australia, UK, North America. We've gotten together, and we will be doing a day long. It actually, in Eastern time zone, starts at 2:30 in the morning. Not to panic though, you don't have to be up at 2:30. You can go back and you can watch it at your leisure, but my presentation is at 6 p.m. Eastern time zone on May 16th. So yeah, so if you're one of my customers and want in on that, please let me know. And I don't want to globally add people that may not want to be added, so I'm putting it out there. I've sent out a newsletter, etc., that if you want part of it, to please contact me and I'll add you. And again, on the VIP Facebook page, I do every Sunday a Simple Stamping Sunday, and I'm getting really good reviews from it. So if you want in on that, please let me know and I will add you. Same address. Okay, so take care and stay safe, and we will talk to you again soon. And remember, if you want to see the finished projects, you can check over on StampScrapandMore.com, or sorry, on the Stamp Scrap and More Facebook page, and I will post them there later today after I make them. Okay, take care, and this was a real quick one. Take care. Bye.